Welcome to the top best. The best plastic snow shovels are probably one of the most essential tools for homeowners and anyone living in snowy climates, offering a lightweight yet durable solution to clear driveways, sidewalks, and pathways efficiently. Unlike their heavier metal counterparts, plastic shovels reduce physical strain, making snow removal a less daunting task, especially during heavy snowfall seasons. Their non-stick surfaces often prevent snow from clinging, allowing for quicker clearing and less effort with each scoop. Choosing the right one can significantly impact your winter maintenance routine, ensuring your property remains accessible and safe throughout the cold months. Number 5. 34-inch Folding Emergency Snow Shovel. Stay prepared for winter with this essential compact tool. It's perfect for car travel, snow camping, or any backcountry trip, ensuring you can navigate emergencies with ease. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, this shovel is lightweight yet incredibly tough. It's designed to handle snow, mud, sand, or dirt, making it a reliable companion for year-round outdoor exploration. Featuring a clever foldable design, it stores and transports with ease. It fits perfectly in your car, ATV, or backpack, always ready without taking up precious space. This tool is designed for all-season use, effortlessly tackling snow, sand, mud, or dirt. It's your go-to for any adventure, adapting to a wide range of outdoor challenges. Weighing just 2 pounds and designed to fold compactly, it's incredibly easy to store and carry. It ensures you're always ready for unexpected situations, no matter where your adventures take you. What we like. This shovel is incredibly portable and designed for emergencies. If you're looking for a compact tool to keep in your car or for outdoor adventures like camping or skiing, this is a great choice. Its folding mechanism makes it easy to store and always ready when you need it. What people say. The folding design makes it very convenient to store, and you can easily keep it in your vehicle without it getting in the way. It was easy to assemble and light enough to use without feeling heavy or uncomfortable. Even though it's lightweight, it still feels strong and designed for the right purpose. Super easy to fold and extend collapse. Nice quality feel to the mechanism and the locking bearings. Number 4. Bully Tools 42-inch Poly Snow Scoop. This scoop is built with American craftsmanship, offering steady strength for winter cleanup and outdoor tasks. It functions perfectly as a lightweight snow shovel or scoop. Molded from sturdy polypropylene, it delivers solid structure for moving mulch, snow, feed, and loose materials. It works well as a grain shovel or snow shovel. Its large head allows you to lift greater volumes of material. It's ideal for clearing winter buildup, shifting mulch, or handling grain. The long handle increases your reach and balance for smooth movement. It's perfect for jobs where a lightweight tool is preferred. The D-grip offers secure, steady handling for gloved or uncovered hands. This enhances guidance during varied outdoor projects. What we like. This scoop is built for serious winter cleanup and yard work. If you need to move large volumes of snow, mulch, or grain efficiently, its spacious head and long handle are perfect. Its durable polypropylene construction makes it ideal for homeowners who need a reliable tool for regular use. What people say. Ideal size for big scoops that aren't too heavy. It doesn't have a metal edge, so we can't hurt the deck. And that's nice. It's even nicer that this shovel still seems to remove ice, just fine, too. This shovel is nice and light, a good value and easy to use for snow removal. Number 3. Bully Tools Heavy-Duty Metal Mulch Scoop Shovel. Experience the strength of American craftsmanship. This tool is built to deliver powerful performance for all your winter tasks, from clearing snow to handling coal. Engineered for the toughest jobs, this heavy-duty shovel is perfect for frequent winter cleanup. It handles snow removal for driveways and large tasks in challenging environments. Designed for comfort and durability, the fiberglass handle provides steady control. It's a robust alternative to metal shovels for various applications, including snow and leaf handling. This scoop features reinforced construction to enhance its lifting power. It's an excellent choice when you need to move heavy, compacted snow efficiently. It's not just for winter, this shovel is ready for year-round tasks. Use it for landscaping, efficient clearing, or utility work like handling coal. Benefit from a large capacity scoop that's 8 inches longer than competitors. This means you can move more with every scoop. What we like. This is a heavy-duty option designed for tough jobs and frequent use. If you're dealing with compacted snow on driveways or need a robust tool for landscaping and utility work, its commercial-grade build and strong fiberglass handle offer superior durability. It's made for those who demand performance and longevity. What people say. This shovel is lightweight and easy to handle, making snow removal less of a chore. The wide blade effectively clears large areas of snow quickly. Its durable plastic construction means it won't rust like metal shovels. Number 2. Ashman Plastic Snow Shovel, 2-pack. Don't let snow stop you. Be prepared for any weather with this essential tool. It's designed to help you escape snow trouble and keep your paths clear. Made from high-quality, durable plastic, this shovel is built to last. Its lightweight structure makes clearing snow a breeze, without any burden. This versatile tool is ideal for more than just snow removal. Use it for trail maintenance or clearing your campsite with ease. Featuring a thicker build and stable connection, it resists rust and deformation. The advanced coated surface ensures smooth and efficient use, day after day. With its excellent rust and deformation resistance, this shovel offers extra security. You'll be ready for even the snowiest days. We are committed to providing premium products that exceed industry standards. Your satisfaction with our lawn and garden tools is our top priority. What we like. This set offers great value and practicality for everyday snow removal. If you're looking for an affordable and easy-to-handle option for clearing your walkways or campsite, this lightweight plastic shovel is ideal. Having two ensures you always have a backup or can tackle snow from multiple areas. What people say. Excellent for use on treks decking with no damage. Nice and light snow shovel. It fits nicely into the trunk of my car. It's fairly lightweight, and seems quite sturdy. Number 1. Remco 69823 Seamless Hygienic Shovel. Meet the Remco 69823 Seamless Hygienic Shovel, designed to work as hard as you do. It's your essential tool for moving bulk materials safely and efficiently. This shovel is incredibly versatile, perfect for a wide range of applications. Whether you're in food processing, commercial fishing, or general food handling, it's the ideal choice. Crafted from FDA-compliant and BPA-free materials, this shovel ensures safety for personal, restaurant, or commercial use. You can trust its hygienic design. Its seamless, hygienic design eliminates cracks and crevices, preventing bacterial growth. Made from heavy-duty, non-sparking polypropylene, it's built for durability. Don't worry about extreme conditions. This shovel can withstand temperatures from -22°F to 176°F without melting, bending, or shattering. What we like. This shovel is engineered for cleanliness and durability in demanding environments. If you work in food processing, gardening, or any setting where hygiene is paramount and extreme temperatures are a factor, this seamless, BPA-free option is your best bet. It's built to withstand harsh conditions without compromising safety. What people say. This shovel worked great. It didn't scratch, it's lightweight and the snow just slid off. This shovel held up well and passed muster. Its smaller size is appropriate for me. And it is not a tool that will soon be thrown away, so I give it points for durability. The vibrant yellow stands out. It chips away ice without breaking or becoming deformed, and is easy to handle. I spray a little WD-40 on it so snow doesn't stick to it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.